Hi there, I wanted to make a quick video about using Bitly, which is a URL shortener that can make your links really accessible. You know how sometimes when you get a link on a page, it could be super long with all kinds of numbers and letters. Bitly always makes the link short. There is a drawback because in Bitly, it is case sensitive, so that means if you have a capital letter, you have to type it as a capital. But that's really the only drawback. So I'm going to show you an example. Let's say we are at this YouTube video. This is SEL, Social Emotional Learning for Parents, from the Castle organization. Let's say I wanted to share this video, which I'm going to, with the parents that I work with. The link itself, as you can see in the URL up here, is super long. If you get a share link, it is shorter. So you can see right here, if I copy that link, it's a lot shorter than the regular URL. But I can also take this link and use Control-C or Command-C if you have a Mac, and go to bit.ly.com and create a shorter link. So I'm going to paste the long URL over here. You can add the title. Let me get rid of this ad. And I'm going to put the title here, SEL for Parents. Let's see if I can get that. Copy it, Control-C or Command-C on my Mac. And see how short that customize that back half is? If I want to go over here and customize it, I can just say SEL for Parents. And when I do that, I'm creating a customized link to get to that same website, that YouTube page. So I'm going to save it that way. Oh, it says it's already taken. So let's see if I can put a 4 in here. Let's try that one. Okay, that one's available. So it could be that SEL for Parents Bitly it goes to the same site, but possibly not. So I'm not even going to try it out. I've just created a new one, SEL number 4 Parents with the capital P. I'm going to copy that. And then if I go to a new tab over here and paste that in, you can see it goes right to that same video. So that's what I'm talking about. The difference between this link and that link is pretty profound. And because you can customize it, it's something that is easily remembered. And that's what we're looking for. It makes it a lot more accessible. Now you can set up a Bitly account. It's for free. You know, you can set this account up here like I have. And when you do that, it saves the links that you have created. You can see this one is the DPS Leap site. So, you know, when I go to that, it's our website. It makes it a lot easier to remember. So that's the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you have any questions. Bye.